Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete blocked numbers on Android so you can easily manage your call list. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Android device. This is the app you normally use to make calls, and it usually has a phone icon right on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a small menu where you'll find more options to customize your call settings. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. This section allows you to control how your phone app behaves and gives access to features like call blocking. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Blocked Numbers, or sometimes it may be called call blocking, depending on your phone model. This shows you a full list of numbers you've blocked. Step 5. Find the number you want to remove from the list. Tap the X icon next to it, or simply tap the number itself depending on your device's layout. Step 6. If a confirmation message pops up, just tap Unblock or Yes to confirm. This will delete the number from your blocked list and allow it to contact you again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.